In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google and ChatGPT effectively to generate strategies for your tasks or projects. First, let's start by navigating to your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.google.com and press enter. This will take you to Google's homepage, which is our starting point for accessing ChatGPT. Once you're on the Google homepage, locate the search bar prominently centered on the screen. Click on this bar and type in ChatGPT. As you type, you might notice Google suggesting related search terms beneath the bar, but for now, let's stay focused on typing ChatGPT and hit enter. This action will generate a list of search results all related to ChatGPT, helping us to quickly find and access the website. When you see the search results, skim through them until you find the official ChatGPT website link, typically at the top of the list. Go ahead and click on that link, and it will direct you to the ChatGPT homepage. It's important to ensure you're visiting the official site for security reasons and to get the best experience from ChatGPT. On the ChatGPT page, you'll find a text box prominently displayed, often in the center. This is where you create a prompt, and it's your canvas for requesting the strategies you need. Think about what specific task, strategy, or information you require and articulate it clearly in this space. There might be examples or suggestions near the text box if you need inspiration, but try to make your prompt as precise and clear as possible. After you have crafted your prompt, look for the Submit button, usually located close to the text box. Click this button to send your request. Once you click Submit, ChatGPT processes your input and generates a response. This might take a moment, depending on how complex your prompt is. When the response comes in, take a minute to read through it carefully. ChatGPT will provide you with a strategy or relevant information based on your prompt, which you can review and refine as needed. This output is designed to assist you in your planning process and can be tailored further by asking follow-up questions or requesting additional details. Utilizing these steps effectively can enhance your productivity and help you harness the power of AI to streamline your workflow. Whether you're exploring new ideas or strategizing complex projects, this guide helps make the process straightforward and efficient. So go ahead, give it a try, and unlock a world of possibilities with Google and ChatGPT.